Hi students, this is VLSI Design. Today's our topic is domino gates, presented by Subhash Sharmini Devi. In the domino gates, after completion of this topic, students will be able to how to design domino gates, explain the difference of domino and dual rail domino gates. This is the domino gate. This domino gates we are having the dynamic NAND and static inverter. These both are combined together. We are called the domino and what is the difference between the static and dynamic means? Static means we are having the same input is given to both PMOS and NMOS means it is called statics. If the dynamic means it will have different input is given to PMOS and as well as NMOS. We are having different input is present in the PMOS as well as NMOS means it is called the dynamic structure. It is the main difference between static and dynamic. In the domino AND gate we are having the inverter and the dynamic NAND. Inverter is nothing but just equal to NOT gate in the CMOS implementation. In the NOT gate CMOS implementation, we are having one PMOS as well as one NMOS is presented in this circuit means it is called one NOT gate or inverter in the diagram. Then in the domino gate means two same circuit is connected together means it is called the domino gate, and then here we are having two states is presented. One is pre-charge and second one is evaluate. In pre-charge mode the clock pi is 0, so the clocked PMOS is on and the output is high. In the evaluation mode the clock pi is 1, so the clocked PMOS stand to off and the output may remain high or may be discharged to low through the pull-down network. In the dynamic inverter, if the input A is 0 during pre-charge, both PMOS and NMOS will be on and condension takes place. As the input cannot be changed to 0 during pre-charge, an extra clocked evaluation transistor is added to the network. Here we are having the pre-charge and evaluation. Why we are going to other methods means normally if in the input session we are having pre-charge and evaluation change occur in all the states. If we are giving 0 0 means if the input is presented 0 at the same time output is also presented in the same output, but we are having some problems arised here. In which state that problem is arising means that mainly in the does not move the 1 to 0, that means input is 1 means at the time the output is does not move to that's high to low is present means that means 1 to 0 is presented means at the time the output does not change means some problems are arised. That's why we are having monosity problems is arised here. That's why we are going to that problem is called monotonicity. That problem is overcome here to use the domino logic. The monotonicity problem can be solved by placing a static CMOS between the dynamic gates. So we are using the domino gates here. These symbols are for the dynamic NAND and high Q inverter and domino AND is shown in here. These are the domino gates. Next, domino optimization. In the domino optimization, that the diagram is replaced by the high-skewed static performance using the CMOS implementation. Each domino gates triggers the next one, like a string of dominoes toppling over. Gates evaluate sequentially but pre-charge in parallel. That's why we are having the parallel sessions. This evaluation is more critical than pre-charge. Yes, that evaluation is more critical from the pre-charge. Then high skewed static stages can perform the logic. That's why using the high skewed domino logic. Then dual rail domino. Here dual rail domino logic can compute all inverting and non-inverting logic functions. This can be viewed as a dynamic form of CVSL. This will encode each signal with a pair of wires. The input and output signals pairs are denoted with high and low. That means signal high and signal low respectively. If output is 1, then output is 1 means it is denoted in high. If output is 0, then L is asserted. When the gate is pre-charged, neither H nor L is asserted. The logic accepts both true and complementary inputs and compute both true and complementary output as shown in the figure. This figure we are having the both high and low inputs are present in the output session. Here we are having this diagram, we are having signal lows and high is presented, that meaning that precharge and when it will present in the precharge level and when it will apply the invalid and the 0 1 is presented is denoted here. Next here we are having the same circuit in the normal domino logic gate and then here it will use the AND or operation gates. Just rewrite that diagram just using the AND gate and NOR operations are computed here. Next, some examples of AND operations are here given here, and the diagram is shown in here how to compute the AND operations using the domino dual line structure that is shown in here. Same thing, XOR and XNOR example is given to here. How to draw that diagram using the domino rail logic. Then with the same thing, same domino rail domino logic with using the completing reduction process is done here in this diagram and then shown in the diagram. Then what does the quiz question about this domino gate means? How to design domino rail domino gates? Thank you, students.